back to the game. Alright, so we, oh, like, so we pretty much just got back here. Like, it's, ain't what it is. Hey look, there's a car.
Luxury apartment. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
Alright, now let's get home or in or back to where the hell I came from. Oh, hey look, a plaque.
Snoop can sometimes be a disciplinarian.
Hence, no. Alright, let's go. Come on. There we go. Huh. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna wander around in this game just because I hate missing stuff, so... There we go.
Don't make me come over there.
Alright.
Look, I've got an hour of paperwork ahead of me, and I've already had to deal with one asshole tonight, so just...
Sorry, Bigby. Didn't mean to be an asshole.
Beauty.
Hello, Bigby.
Apparently all fairy tale women
wasn't
are
expecting
prostitutes
anyone.
in this time and age.
I know this looks a little
Oh,
odd.
pretty late.
You're out pretty late.
Sorry, I'm gonna
Is there
do
some
that
sort of
from time to
curfew I don't
time.
know about? What's with a third degree? Damn it, I'm late. Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
Sure.
You promise?
I promise.
Thank you, Bigby. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Sorry, fairy tale prostitute.
Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
Ugh. Well, at least the night guy's sleeping. And this is when I start walking over and looking at everything.
Hey, you awake? Probably for the best. Been a while since I got any mail. 7th day in a row.
Oh yeah, before that, I gotta look at this board before I put the nameplate to see who was here. Alright, so it's just a sticker, alright. And fucking...
Damn thing fell off again. Damn thing fell off again.
No. Okay, how do I pick it up? Whoops.
How much longer is this gonna go on?
So apparently, I guess I'm not treated like a permanent tenant or anything. I'm just gonna be walking around. I see the elevator call button, but once again, I'm looking for hidden shit. And there's no hidden shit here, so let's just keep going. Oh shit, that's cool. So I can wait for it or just enter it. Oh shit, I gotta remember to lie.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Let's see.
Nope. Haven't seen her.
Sorry, man.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it.
Ugh.
Something's going on.
Maybe I should have just stayed silent. Oh well. Going to my nice shitty ass apartment. Take the phone off the receiver and try to get some
Right the
sleep.
window.
So apparently all you need is fresh water and you can be fully healed in minutes. Minutes? Minutes.
What a night.
Let's check the refrigerator.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a small one.
Because apparently fables just live off nothing but alcohol
Damn it.
and ice cubes. And the occasional bourbon. Whoa. What's it?
Bluebeard's
This
file.
always found very interesting.
Never trusted this guy. Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
Nice fan.
Should help.
Now I usually don't have a pig in my chair, so let's see what this is about.
Hey, Colin. Get up.
I'm gonna try
Hey.
it one more time. Alright, one more time,
Hey.
just because I'm trying to be the good guy. Alright, now I'm gonna kick this pig's ass.
Oh, hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh?
I'm tired, Colin. It's been a long day.
Yay, a chair that smells like pig ass.
Got a smoke? Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop.
Yeah.
I can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Calm down. I'm not sending you back.
That for me?
That's the smile of a happy
Nope.
pig.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
I'm doing my best here.
Clearly that is not true, what with the selfishness with the bourbon. But, no,
You're an
hate's the
asshole,
wrong
pig.
word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's
Yeah.
fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
Yeah, forgot about that.
Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
I was doing my job, believe it or not.
Your job is to beat the shit out of fables.
Sometimes I take them to the farm.
Fuck you.
Oh, whoops.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude
man, I
that
love
gets you
this
in
game.
trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name
Sorry, if
one.
Mike picks that up. It's because I was cracking my knuckles.
I don't
That
actually
was a
know her
girl.
name.
Awesome.
Still
Great
cracking
example.
knuckles.
Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story
God
window,
damn.
and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah,
Still
yeah, all
coughing.
right. Probably.
Take it, you porky little bastard.
Thanks, Bigby.
I swear that cup disappeared as he was drinking from it. What if that really was like 2 seconds of sleep? Walking along. Who the hell woke me up? Front door, someone's beating on it. Walking around like the big bad wolf. Da, 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 da. Alright, back to the store. Check my shitty tie.
Bigby,
Snow?
come with me.
Okay. Not even a formality. Well then,
Snow.
how's it going?
Snow!
What?
Uh,
Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
who the hell's that guy?
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
Go figure. Oh, the security guy found it first. Or, never mind. At least his jacket did anyway. What's on your coat, number one? I should really stop trying to make this funny. Oof.
No.
That's rough.
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
A working girl?
A working girl? I mean, I'm a working... Oh.
Yeah, she was that.
A woodsman.
Had to
She
sugarcoat
attacked
it.
her and I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just
Holy shit.
terrible.
So,
Let's see. First
you
of all,
found her.
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look
ah,
around.
shit.
We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
Poor girl.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed. For us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could
Ugh.
do something like that?
Either something very sharp, or something with magic attached to it.
I have to go with B. Magic.
What is?
Oh.
It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
Huh. Uh-huh.
I'm sorry.
God damn.
This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
The hell?
We
Yeah,
still have
let
some
me,
time.
Let me look around.
We should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Alright, so I got a ring. No, I'm not talking to you yet. Gotta look around. Sorry, I'm just sort of pixel hunting right now. Alright, so nothing here. By the way, these bushes are so cruelly drawn. Oh my god, thank goodness. Well, the real attention for detail was really brought up with the people or the characters. No, I'm not go. Oh, yep, there we go. Blood trail. Come on. There we go. More blood trail.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour, maybe?
Alright, look this way. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Sorry, pixel hunting. There we go.
No signs that it's been here long.
A scrap of fabric.
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
I don't know, let's look at some garbage.
Just some loose trash.
Alright, then let's look at the blood on the
More
spot.
blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier. Blood. Still wet.
Still
Sharp
fresh.
enough.
Alright. God damn it, I have to use the regular controls. I might walk around one more time and see if there's any other signs of... You see right down here? So how everything sort of overlaps. Bushes?
Nobody there.
Yeah, so I usually found those things really quickly, and then it was more or less, I run back to snow, but I want to investigate a little bit more. Just an inkling, I guess, something like that. Maybe I can just, like, jump the fence and find the guy. Or run into a wall full sprint. Alright, yeah, I think wait, let me
Surprised
check the
garbage
trash
men
one
can
more
even
time.
find their way here.
Alright, that's covered, blood spots are covered. I got the ribbon, the fabric, Alright, yeah, I guess I'll tell her I'm done investigating the area. Oh wait, first let's compare fabric.
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time.
Oh my god, we have to test that with people.
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big P, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
Sorry, Snow.
Yeah, I'm
Just
not
not
gonna...
ready to say yet.
Fine. Let's just get upstairs.
Whoops.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him. I know you don't like him, but he's our boss. This is part of the job.
Alright,
We
I'm gonna
should wait
derail
until we
this a
have
little
more to
bit, take
tell.
it off the good
Right
guy
now,
thing.
all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's
Okay,
important
so the whole
right now.
good guy wrong?
We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Has been derailed just for a tiny bit. Because now it's like... It's not really right or wrong, it's more of my opinion kind of thing. So...
What are you, blind? Why, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
And what great work you do, Sheriff.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Once again,
Fucker.
that dude pissed me off. Yeah, that dude pissed me off.
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
If anyone's to blame, it's me. You don't need to be yelling at her.
Blame.
Oh, your role in this is duly noted. Yes, let's talk about that. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
I'll just stay quiet.
Bluebeard came to mind. It's his MO. It's shaky, but...
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak. So don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair. If all you're operating off of is ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes?
Oh, I fucking hate you.
Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff.
Man, that is an ass.
Or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
Oh man, sorry. Once again, I derailed because that motherfucker's always
You would have just pissed him off
somehow
more.
just.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It
But
would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row.
but hold yourself.
Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind.
Fuck Crane.
Smoke away.
What an asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
You fucking alcoholic.
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
I like you, Buffkin.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which
he's
books?
not a bad, weird drunk
The ones
monkey.
with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian?
Huh.
Hi, this is Snow White, Mr. Crane's
Alright,
assistant.
let me try this lamp.
Worth a try.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, I know, Genie.
Mm-hmm.
I did
No,
figure
we
out
got your
something
invoice.
different. That I was,
Yes.
hold on for a second. These
It
fucking...
should be squared away.
There we go. Yeah. The tarot deck.
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
Yes, I mean, I question it only due to...
What about the tarot deck? The tower.
Well, that's not what I have here.
I wasn't
I
ever
can look
into
through it
that
again.
stuff, so I was just wondering.
Damn. Just what the fuck is this supposed to mean?
No idea.
I'll be
Gonna
sure to
keep
let him
that
know.
with me.
Yes.
And still
That's not a
poking
problem.
around. Cause that was actually the funny thing. I've noticed
Okay.
like every Let's Player skip that out. They go straight to the mirror. Well, everyone that I've seen so far. Huh, that's where our desk is. Right behind that dude's. Weird. What was I doing? Okay, so I can't even check my inventory kind of thing. Huh, need a shade.
Hey, magic mirror.
Alright.
I got a question.
You know the rule.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is
Yeah,
callow.
that's correct.
You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
He
Mirror,
rhymes.
mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine.
Nah, shit, the
Of
video
which
ran every
fable
time,
do you
but,
wish to know?
Sorry, didn't want to interrupt, but,
Show me
let's
Buffkin.
see. First let me see Buff, because that's the funniest one.
Hey,
I'm just
put
gonna
down
do
the
this
bottle
thing
and
and
get
call
to
for now.
work.
Still looking!
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me the woodsman.
Okay.
Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Ah, shit. Alright, well, this part's gonna go on for a little bit longer. I forgot that's
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared
scripted
up.
moment.
Okay. Thank you.
And then I start peering through the books and looking up all the shit.